Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So today in this video I am going to share my AM and PM skincare routine. Now this video is not sponsored and ये मुझे बोलना ही था because बहुत जन सोचते मैं sponsored videos ही करती हूँ. And also I have been using all these products over a month. So today I'm going to talk about the products and also my skin a little bit. So let's get started. So in July I got fungal acne and I had no idea about fungal acne. I searched a lot on Google and on YouTube, and I have seen a lot of videos, you guys, over 70-80 videos I have seen. I have read vlogs about that. When I got to know that niacinamide is great for fungal acne, I was like, you know what, I need to try it out. I went and bought niacinamide, zit zapping serum. I bought snail mucin for my acne and none worked. It made my skin much worse. You will see the scars is just because of them. I got like hell breakout with those products. So later on I came across this website called Skinoreal, and the owner of this website is Shrija, and I was like, you know what, I need to talk to her because I saw her post. She had fungal acne and she recovered it. I was like so impressed. So I thought, you know what, I should talk to her. I went through her website, I went through the blogs and everything. So she has a service called Balance Hydrate Glow program, and there is 3 types of program: basic, advanced and ultimate. So I went for the advanced. I paid for the session and I did the enrollment. It was very easy to do it. And next up I got an email from her that Shrija is going to call me within 24 hours. So later on I got a call from Shrija and I told her everything, like the products I had been using in the past, the products I started using during the fungal acne, how is my skin right now, and what are the problems I'm facing. I told her everything. She asked me every details and she was like, you know, you need to calm down. I will send you a very short and simple skincare routine. You have to follow that for at least 28 days and then you will see a very good difference in your skin. After that she actually mentioned everything, the products, even how to use it and why I will be using that. So she wrote every detail and I started using it. Let's begin with the AM skincare routine. So once I wake up, I brush my teeth and I clean my face with some water. So in the first week I use the ketoconazole shampoo, the dandruff shampoo, on my face. I kept it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off and then jump into my moisturizer. So after a week I have stopped using it and now I only use a little bit of water to wash my face and then I move on to the moisturizer. So today I have already washed my face, but still I have little water on this bowl. I am going to damp my face just a little bit. You can see my skin is slightly damp and now I'm going to use my moisturizer. So the one I'm using is from Sebamed. This is the Clear Face Care Gel and this is great for acne prone skin. It is a gel based moisturizer. So I like to take this much. You have seen me using it on my vlog. This is a gel base, so it absorbs very quickly and this is great for oily skin, you guys. I won't recommend this for dry skin. I think this will not be enough for you. So yeah, oily skin people can definitely try this. No toner, no serum, just a moisturizer, and then I jump into my sunscreen. So for sunscreen she actually suggested me this. This is the La Shield SPF 40 sunscreen, but after using this for 3-4 days my skin was breaking out and then I again stopped using this and I told her that this is not working for me and she told me you can apply whatever sunscreen suits you. So I went with the favorite one, which was the Lotus Safe Sun. So I again used it for 5 to 7 days and then I again went for this one. But you know, let's give it a try again, and I started using it and it has been like over 20 days with this product. It didn't break me out anymore. So you guys understand how much I have been loving it. So even my mom has sensitive skin and she really likes this. So for sunscreen I like to take this much. Yes, you need to take this much or like more than this. And the formula of this is very different. It feels powdery. As I said, the texture is very different. It feels like powder. This says it is oil free, but definitely it feels a little bit oily on my hand, even on my skin, but it goes away after a few minutes, so I don't mind that. Alright guys, that was my AM skincare routine. Yes, that is it. Just washing my face with some water, moisturizer and sunscreen, and that is it. No serum, no cleanser, no toner, no face oil or nothing else. Just very simple. And now what I'm going to do is shoot few videos for Instagram, and then I will come back and show you guys how I remove it and what is my night skincare routine. Okay, so see you guys in a bit. So guys, I am back. I did few videos for YouTube and Instagram both, and you will see this look on my Instagram. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and watch it. I will mention a link here or in the description box below. So now coming to the part where I will remove this makeup, and I will show you guys how I do my night skincare routine. So for my makeup removing part, I will be using this. This is the PAC Take It Off Cleansing Cream. Now I really like this because I cannot use any oil based makeup removers, so I have been using the cream based makeup remover from the PAC Cosmetics. I will be taking this microfiber makeup removing cloth. Now this is from Earth Rhythm. What I am going to do is I am going to dip it in water. So let me do that first. I am going to dip this in water. Firstly, I am going to remove my eyelash. So now I'm going to take this Take It Off Cleansing Cream, and I'm going to take at least, yeah, this much. It feels really good. It is like cream based, so it won't trigger any fungal acne or mask acne. So now what I'm going to do is take a micellar water and clean my face again. Now for my eyes, I will be using the Garnier micellar water. Now this is oil infused. It will remove all the mascaras and the kajals I have on my eye. And to remove that, I will be using this charcoal cotton pad. This is reusable. I'm going to keep it for a few seconds and then remove it. Now eye makeup is removed. Now for my face, I am going to use the Bioderma micellar water. Now I have been using the sample size, and like recently I got the bigger size bottle. Now because I have some left in the sample size bottles, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to swipe it over my whole face, and you will see how much makeup I have. Look at this. This is the amount of makeup I still have on my face. Now I'm going to take another cotton pad and do this again. So I have already washed my face. I'm not going to pat my skin dry, not with a towel, not with a t-shirt. I'm going to let it dry completely, and then I will move on and apply this one. This is the benzoyl peroxide gel. It is 2.5%. It is also suggested by Shrija. So I'm going to apply this wherever I have acne, right around my mouth, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. So now I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off. Alright guys, it has been 10 minutes. Now I don't feel anything, like it's not tingling or it's not burning at all. It's just normal cream or mask, I would say. And now it has dried completely, and also it has been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take clean water and I'm going to rinse it off completely. Now it's time for a cleanser, and for that I will be using the Sebamed Clear Face Cleansing Foam, and this is also great for oily skin people who has acne prone skin. Now this is not drying, it is also very gentle. It won't remove your makeup. Double cleansing is a must. To take 1.5 pump. So now I'm going to keep this for 3 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. Now I'm going to apply my serum, and for that I will be using this Eclat. This is the EGF 4% Bio Serum. Also, if you guys want a review on this product, let me know in the comment section below. So what I like to do is take half a pump like this and I'm going to pat it all over my face. And next step is applying a moisturizing cream, and for that I use the Dermatecture NMF Skin Barrier Cream. Now it has helped my skin barrier a lot and I really like this product. It is really moisturizing, so definitely recommend this applying at night time. Lastly, I have started using this lip balm, Laneige one. It has been 2 days I have tried this. Now it is extremely thick, so I really like it. I'm going to apply a little bit on my lips. Now that is it. That was my AM and PM skincare routine for you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. All the product details will be mentioned down in the description box below. I am definitely going to tell you guys to, go through all the ingredient list before buying anything and talk to somebody who knows about skincare. So I will definitely recommend you guys to talk to Shrija about this. And if you have any kind of skin concern, just talk to her and take a session. So that is it, you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.